Today I'm going to unbox this compact massage gun from Beurer MG99. Let's see what is inside and how does it looks. Let's start the unboxing process. This small massage gun have 5 intensity levels with 4 massage attachments. I got it from local dealer for only 69 euros. So it was a really friendly price, which I like it, so I decided to buy it. Some papers, what it is, guarantee paper of course, and instruction in different languages, but it's pretty simple, so I think I don't need it. This is charger. I like this because it has USB Type-C. That's good, modern, and very quick charge. Only 2.5 hours to full charge. So this is the gun, Beurer MG99. Charging port on, off. It won't start pressing this, so you have also button here, battery level and intensity levels. I hope you heard how it changed by changing intensity levels. Let's see attachment. First one, like microphone. Second, for smaller muscles, for point massage. For back. And for a big muscle, like legs, big muscles on back. Haven't tried those yet. I have tried this one, very good. This is classic, also good. And nothing else in here. Let's put on this one. Very easy. Just press it and it's ready to work. Battery is full. Level 1. Level 2. And level 3. Level 4. This feels too much for my hand. And 5. Too much. my hands will be as new. Too much. So this is it, all about unboxing. While I like this one because it's small and handy in my hand, other models are much bigger, more heavy, and didn't feel so comfortable, and price differs more than 2 times other models of Beurer. Let's test it on later.